Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful butterfly message card. So let's get started. First, take a piece of a thick paper or a watercolor paper. Fold it lightly if you want a symmetrical butterfly. Then draw half a butterfly shape along the fold and cut it out. When open it out, after that take a small size of a paper and do the same process. When you open it, you will have a perfect butterfly. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Handmade crafts are meant to be unique. Now it's time to add some colors. I'm using the wet on wet watercolor technique. Start by brushing clean water all over the butterfly shape and make sure it's evenly wet. You can add dots, lines, or extra layers for more details. Take a hole punch and make a small hole. I don't have a hole punch, so I use compass. Thread a ribbon through the hole. Write your message on a small piece of a paper. It could be a thank you note or a positive affirmation or happy birthday, maybe anything sweet. Roll it gently and tie the message to your butterfly. You can bow it or knot it, it depends on your style. Our butterfly message card is ready. I want to make it look more attractive, so I paste a butterfly cutout. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share your butterfly card with me. See you in the next video.